So here we are driving this 1992 Alfa Romeo Spider in that beautiful Verde green, which is a lot like the British racing green, but for the Italian cars. This will just kind of give you an idea how it drives. It's got a little bit of synchro noise when you downshift into third, and it does have synchro noise in the second gear. You can hear that. That's a very common problem on these Alfa Spiders. We are the second owner of this car. We bought it off the original owner. We've done work to it for years. We did a new clutch in it. It's got new tires, a new top, new brakes, shocks, a whole bunch of stuff, and it will come with all the service history, all the records, all the paperwork, all the way back from the beginning. So that's kind of neat. So just some known issues that I know with the car is the oil pressure gauge doesn't work at all. Kind of like an Alfa electrical thing, doesn't work at all. Nothing wrong with the engine, nothing like that. The emergency brake is going to need new cables. That does not work. So e-brake, parking brake, and I'd probably get the wheels balanced because there is some vibration that I'm feeling at certain speeds on the highway. But this one's kind of neat because it does have your airbag. It's 5-speed. It's a convertible top, but it's non-electric. So easily just 2 clips, drop it back. There's nothing to go wrong on it, which is really cool. So I'll go ahead and pull over here and I'll do a walk around video, but never overheats, drives really well. So if you're looking for a car that you can kind of just get in and go, you know, I get a lot of questions like, oh, could I drive it to California? Yeah, sure, you can drive this one to California. You don't have to ship it, you could drive it. You know the issues I've told you about. It has nothing to do with the way it drives. But it's just a really cool car. These Series 4 Alphas are some of the best Spiders to ever come out, and we're going to offer it for a really decent price, so somebody's going to get a good deal. Anyways, I'll go ahead and do that walk around. All right, so I said I'll do a walk around video not driving. So the other video of it driving, shifting through gears and everything else, that should come right after this or before, depending on how we edit. This is the 1992 Alfa Romeo Spider Veloce. This is in Verde green, which is a flat color green. There's no metallic in it. This was a one-owner car until we bought it. We are the second owners. So it is titled in our name, and I daily drive it. So right now I have the 914, and I have this Alfa and a Land Rover Defender. So one of them's got to go. It's got new tires, new clutch, new top, new brakes. Now it is starting to get some rust around these arches here, down in there, on this side, some in there, but the paint still shines up really, really nice. So there was that. You see this little boo-boo there, use some touch-up paint. Dent guy maybe. And then here there was a dent right in this area, almost like a soccer ball or something smacked it, and I did have the dent guy pull out almost all of it. It looks really good, and that way it was paintless dent repair. This is just such a cool car. Oh, I also forgot to show you with the top down, the best part. So this is how I'm going to drive it back, because actually we got some warm weather right now in Maryland. It's going to get cold this weekend. It's kind of neat when you see that dark green, that tan leather. It's just so Italian. And with the top up, it looks good too, but just seeing that interior,